Printable food. This technology involves using edible materials to create 3D printed food, which can be customized in terms of shape, texture, and flavor. Examples of printable food include chocolate, pasta, and pizza. Printable clothes. With the use of 3D printing, designers can create unique and intricate pieces of clothing that are customized to fit a specific individual. This technology allows for the creation of complex shapes and textures that would be difficult to achieve with traditional manufacturing methods. Printable shoes. 3D printing technology is being used to create customized shoes that are tailored to fit an individual's foot shape and size. This approach is not only more comfortable, but it can also help to reduce waste and improve sustainability in the fashion industry. Printable prosthetics. 3D printing technology is also being used to create affordable and customizable prosthetic limbs for those who need them. This approach has the potential to revolutionize the medical industry and make prosthetics more accessible to people around the world. Printable toys. 3D printing technology is being used to create unique and intricate toys that are tailored to children's specific interests and preferences. This approach allows for the creation of personalized toys that are both fun and educational. These are just a few examples of the many different types of printable items that are being developed using 3D printing technology.
Welcome to our channel. We are so excited to have you. Like, share and comment on our videos to join the conversation. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can stay up to date with our latest content. We can't wait to hear your thoughts and opinions, so hit the like button and join the conversation.